Do you like animals? Are you into animal rights? Then The One and Only Ivan, a 2013 Newbery Award-winning biographical fiction novel written by Katherine Applegate, is the perfect book for you. In The One and Only Ivan, Ivan, a silverback gorilla, lives in a cage at a mall. He is satisfied with his life at the mall. He eats a lot of bananas, watches shows on his black and white TV, and makes paintings that the mall owner sells to earn some money. He is accompanied by two other animals, Stella, an aging elephant, and Bob, a stray dog. Stella previously performed at a circus, and while performing tricks there, she suffered a chronic leg infection. She wanted to move to a zoo because they usually have better living conditions and she doesn't have to forcibly perform tricks. However, unfortunately, she was moved to the mall after her injury, and despite that, the owner of the mall still made her to perform tricks as the mall was facing losses. One day, the owner brings in another baby elephant named Ruby to the mall to increase the business. However, Stella becomes saddened by the news because since it would mean that Ruby would also be treated harshly by the owner and forced to perform tricks in her small enclosure. Witnessing Ruby's treatment, Ivan begins to realize how they're being treated so harshly and how life is comparatively much better in a zoo. In fact, Ivan proclaims in chapter 7 of this book that the zoo is not the perfect place, but it's the place that they need, which marks a shift in his opinion on the mall that he lives in. Eventually, Stella succumbs to her injuries, but before she dies, she makes Ivan responsible for taking care of Ruby and help her escape this horrible place. So, how does Ivan use his artistic skills to escape the mall with Ruby once and for all and live at a zoo with much better living conditions? Read The One and Only Ivan to find out. I enjoyed this book a lot because the entire story is very powerful emotionally. It explores the theme of animal cruelty through the bittersweet story of Ivan, Stella, and Ruby. This story is partially based on a real-life gorilla of the same name, and hence this is a biographical fiction book. I hope that you'll enjoy the story and understand after reading this book how animals also deserve to live freely and without cruelty.